In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or convert YouTube video audio and summarize it with Otter AI. To get started, first download the audio from the YouTube video using a video download or conversion tool. Depending on the tool you use, you may be able to save the file as audio only or as a video file. Either option can work for this process as long as the file is downloaded successfully and saved somewhere easy to find on your device. It's a good idea to place it in your downloads folder or on your desktop so you can access it quickly in the next step. If you're working with a longer video, just keep in mind that larger files may take a little more time to upload and process later. Once you have the downloaded audio or video file ready, go to Otter AI and open the platform. After you're inside your workspace, look for the Import button and click it. This is the option that allows you to bring in an existing file from your computer so Otter can transcribe it for you automatically. When the file browser opens, locate the audio or video file you just downloaded, select it, and upload it. Make sure you choose the correct file before confirming, especially if you've downloaded multiple versions. After the upload begins, give Otter some time to process the file. The platform will automatically transcribe the spoken content, and the amount of time this takes can vary depending on the length and quality of the recording. Clear audio usually leads to better transcription results, so if your original file has strong sound quality, that will help improve accuracy. While you wait, avoid closing the process too early so the transcription can finish properly. Once the transcription is complete, open the transcript page and look at the top of the screen for the Summary tab. Click on that tab to view the summary generated from the transcript. This is useful if you want a quick overview of the main points without reading through the entire conversation or recording. It can save time and help you capture the most important takeaways right away. That's the full process. You download or convert the YouTube audio, import the file into Otter AI, wait for the transcription to finish, and then open the Summary tab to review the condensed version of the content.